Hello, everyone! Welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. In this video, we'll explore 30 powerful words that will help you replace common phrases and elevate your English. Let's dive in and make your language skills even better. Very important.
Very important.
Essential.
Essential.
Water is essential for all living things. Very funny.
Very funny.
Hilarious.
Hilarious.
The movie was hilarious. Very happy.
Very happy.
Ecstatic.
Ecstatic.
She was ecstatic about her results. Very sad.
Very sad.
Devastated.
Devastated.
He was devastated when his favorite toy broke. Very big.
Very big.
Huge.
Huge.
They live in a huge house. Very small.
Very small.
Tiny.
Tiny.
The kitten is tiny and cute. Very good.
Very good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
The food at the restaurant was excellent. Very bad.
Very bad.
Terrible.
Terrible.
The service was terrible. Very easy.
Very easy.
Simple.
Simple.
The math problem was simple to solve. Very hard.
Very hard.
Difficult.
Difficult.
The exam was difficult. Very old.
Very old.
Ancient.
Ancient.
They visited an ancient castle. Very new.
Very new.
Innovative.
Innovative.
His innovative idea changed the way we work. Very fast.
Very fast.
Rapid.
Rapid.
The rabbit made a rapid escape. Very slow.
Very slow.
Sluggish.
Sluggish.
The computer was sluggish today. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Fascinating.
Fascinating.
The book was fascinating from start to finish. Very strong.
Very strong.
Powerful.
Powerful.
She is a powerful speaker. Very weak.
Very weak.
Feeble.
Feeble.
The old bridge is feeble. Very clean.
Very clean.
Spotless.
Spotless.
The kitchen was spotless. Very dirty.
Very dirty.
Filthy.
Filthy.
The room was filthy. Very loud.
Very loud.
Deafening.
Deafening.
The noise was deafening. Very rich.
Very rich.
Wealthy.
Wealthy.
She comes from a wealthy family. Very poor.
Very poor.
Impoverished.
Impoverished.
The impoverished town lacked basic resources. Very noisy.
Very noisy.
Boisterous.
Boisterous.
The party was boisterous. Very quiet.
Very quiet.
Tranquil.
Tranquil.
The garden is tranquil in the morning. Very tired.
Very tired.
Exhausted.
Exhausted.
He felt exhausted after the workout. Very creative.
Very creative.
Imaginative.
Imaginative.
She wrote an imaginative story about space. Very boring.
Very boring.
Dull.
Dull.
The lecture was dull. Very strong.
Very strong.
Sturdy.
Sturdy.
The table is sturdy and well built. Very weak.
Very weak.
Frail.
Frail.
The old man was frail. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning these 30 powerful words and that they help you enhance your English skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Wise Owl English Learning and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.